DMP Training Center. I'm Barrett, and today I want to talk about the new video doorbell from DMP. The new V-4061DB replaces the previous model. The new video doorbell is a 2-megapixel 1080p Wi-Fi doorbell that allows you to hear, see, and speak to anyone at any time from anywhere. When you receive your video doorbell, you'll see there are a lot of useful items in the box. This doorbell comes with 4 available faceplates. The doorbell comes pre-installed with the white faceplate that you see here. You also have gold, brown, and black faceplates that you or the end user can choose from. Also included in the box are different wedges. You have a horizontal wedge, a vertical wedge, and a flat wedge to choose from. These wedges help you fine-tune the view of the camera, and again are included in the box. Included with the video doorbell is a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. This stores any motion-based clips or any ring events so that you can view those remotely from virtual keypad. One of the big benefits of local storage like this is that if the Wi-Fi network were to go down, as long as the doorbell has power, it will continue to record clips. When that Wi-Fi is reestablished, you'll be able to see those clips that it recorded when the Wi-Fi was down in virtual keypad. This is a really great feature that even though the Wi-Fi is down, you're still going to be able to see what happened outside of your home or business. The V-4061 has a 170-degree vertical field of view. This gives you a really great head-to-toe view of what's happening at your home or in front of your business. Another exciting update is the easy setup in virtual keypad. Let's take a look at how that's done. To set up the video doorbell, tap the menu and tap Doorbell. Tap the Setup Doorbell button. Now you need to scan the QR code that's underneath the faceplate on the doorbell. Tap Scan Doorbell. Scan the QR code on the front of the doorbell, and now we're ready to configure the Wi-Fi. Tap Configure Wi-Fi. Here you'll enter the SSID and password of the network you want the doorbell to join. Tap Continue. When your doorbell powers up, it will begin transmitting its own Wi-Fi network. You'll join this network, and Virtual Keypad will safely and securely program the Wi-Fi for your home or business. Now you'll need to join the Wi-Fi network the doorbell is transmitting. Tap the button to copy the doorbell Wi-Fi's password. Now navigate to the Wi-Fi settings of your device. Select the doorbell's Wi-Fi network. Now, paste in the password. Tap Join. Once your phone is joined the doorbell's Wi-Fi, you can go back to Virtual Keypad. The doorbell will tell you that it's connecting to Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
Once it's connected, hit OK and tap Continue. Now that the doorbell is on the Wi-Fi network, you can change the name. Another important step is selecting whether or not you have a mechanical chime installed. If you are installing this doorbell with an existing 16 to 24 volt mechanical doorbell chime, tap Mechanical Chime. If you're installing this doorbell with a standard 16 to 24 volt plug-in transformer, tap No Chime. Tap Finish. This process could take a minute.
Registering succeeded.
When it's finished, it'll launch into the live view. Here you can get a sneak preview of our DMP studio. From here, you can tap the shield in the upper left corner to arm or disarm your system. You can tap the star in the upper right to access Z-Wave favorites. And if I had a 734 access control module programmed to this system, I could momentarily open a door. Tap the green button to begin a call, and tap the red button to hang up. From the doorbell screen, you can view live at any time. Below that, you'll see any motion clips or ring events. Tap one to view or download. You can also customize the motion detection regions. Tap the edit icon, then tap Settings. Tap Setup Regions. From here, any areas selected will detect motion. Turn on and off as many detection regions as you'd like. Tap Save when you're done. When someone rings your doorbell, you'll get a push notification like this. Tap the notification to launch into the live view. For more information on the V-4061DB or any other products, visit dmp.com. Thanks for your business and have a great day.